Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook ground beef on the stove. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 1 pound of ground beef, a large skillet, and a sturdy spatula. Make sure your beef is completely thawed for the best results. If you're adding aromatics like onions or garlic, have those chopped and ready to go. This initial preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get that beef sizzling. Place your large skillet over medium-high heat and let it warm up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add your ground beef to the hot pan, using your spatula to break it into smaller pieces. Continue to cook, stirring every minute or so for 5 to 7 minutes until all the pink is gone and it's beautifully browned. This step develops rich flavor. Once your ground beef is nicely browned, it's time to drain off any extra fat. You can carefully tilt the pan and spoon out the fat or transfer the beef to a colander. This prevents your dish from becoming greasy. Return the beef to the skillet, reduce the heat to medium-low, and season generously. A good starting point is 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, but feel free to add your favorite spices. Finally, give your seasoned ground beef a good stir for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing all those delicious flavors to combine. It's important to ensure the beef reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Once cooked through, your ground beef is ready. Serve it hot as a versatile ingredient in tacos, pasta sauces, or simply alongside your favorite vegetables. Enjoy your perfectly cooked ground beef.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.